Hi everyone, my name is Cinthia Barrera and I am a Gear Up tutor at Eastwood Middle School. And today I will be talking about congruence and similarity. So what are congruent triangles? Congruent triangles have both the same shape and the same size. As we can see, triangle ABC and triangle DEF are congruent because they have the same angles and the same sides. Congruent triangles can also be rotated, reflected, and translated. Similar triangles have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. All of these triangles are similar, yet they have different orientation and different size. How do we know if two triangles are congruent? They are congruent if their corresponding sides are congruent and if their corresponding angles are congruent. How can we prove this? We use the triangle congruence theorems. The first one is side, side, side. If three sides of a triangle are congruent to three sides of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. Side, angle, side. If two sides in the included angle of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. Angle, side, angle. If two angles in the included side of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. Angle, angle, side. If two angles and the non-included side of one triangle are congruent to the corresponding part of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. And last, hypotenuse, leg. If the hypotenuse and the leg of one right triangle are congruent to the corresponding parts of another right triangle, the right triangles are congruent. How do we know if two triangles are similar? They are similar if their corresponding angles are equal and if their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. We can use the triangle similarity theorems, which are angle, angle, side, 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 and side, angle, side. When two figures are similar, the ratio of the lengths of their corresponding sides are equal. Here we have triangle ABC and triangle DEF. The length AC corresponds to the length DF and the length AB corresponds to DE. The ratios are equal and the triangles are similar. A problem you might see when asked about similar triangles is one like this. Triangle JKL is similar to triangle PQR. Solve for T. So we are asked to find the missing piece in triangle PQR. The first step would be to find the ratio of corresponding sides, and the second step is to use that ratio to find the unknown length. So for a recap, two triangles are congruent if they have the same shape and the same size, and similar triangles have the same shape but are not the same size. And here is just a picture to show that difference. If you need more help or more assistance in more problems, you can go to tutor.com. You sign in by going to www.tutor.com/utipgu. The username is your student ID number and your password is isletgu. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned about congruent and similar triangles, and we'll see you in the next video.